if you click this video, or if you are here and you're wondering, is YouTube actually worth it? Is the pay really worth it for YouTube Shorts, or is the pay really worth it general in YouTube? Don't worry, this video is really going to be answering your question, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube paid me for 2,000 views in my YouTube Short. This is what this video is all about. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time of coming across this page, you are welcome. And on this page I talk a lot about digital marketing, freelancer, how to make money online, and how to grow on your YouTube channel. If this is what you're interested in, do what to like, subscribe, and when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that you notify whenever a new video is being uploaded. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. And if you're among those that leave nice and wonderful comments in the comment section after watching my video, it really means a lot to me, because it actually gives me the morale or the ginger to come back here to do more videos for you guys. So without further ado, let's dive right fully into this video. And in this video, like I said, I'll be showing you how much YouTube paid me. In this video, I'll show you how much YouTube paid me in my YouTube Shorts for 2,000 views. Yes, remember I made a video on how much YouTube paid me in my long form video for 1,000 views. If you have not checked it out, I'll click the link, or click the link in my description box, or you can just check my page. It's even on my home feed page. It's something that when you enter my page, that's the first thing you're actually going to be seeing. Now let's talk about how much YouTube paid me in my 2,000 views in my YouTube Short. Now this is my YouTube channel. That's my first YouTube channel, because I have a YouTube channel. That's the first YouTube channel, and the niche there is skincare. And that's the reason the next video I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be just telling you if you should pick a niche or not, and also my regrets in picking a niche. I'm going to be telling you everything about this niche or no niche. In fact, don't worry, that's something I'm going to be talking about in my next video. Now, so that I'm going to be telling you how much YouTube paid me in my YouTube Shorts. And like I told you, the first YouTube channel is a skincare niche, and this is my analytics here. So I'm going to be showing you what is here. Now the topic of the short I did is actually fake versus original Dr. Teal's lotion. How to identify the fake and original Dr. Teal lotions, because it's a skincare niche. Now in this short got 2,414 views. I'm looking down just to check my analytics. The video got 2,414 views since it was published. That's how much the video got. And in this video I got 3 subscribers. You can actually see it here. I got 3 subscribers just from these 2,414 views. Now let's go over reach. It was shown to 2,800 people. Like, it was shown on their home page or in their feed, not on TikTok. They call it For You page, but here it's called home page. So it was shown on 2,800 people's home page, and out of the 2,800 people's home page, 2,414 people were able to click the video and watch, which is actually a good thing. And how many people choose to watch the view, or how many people choose to watch the video? 80.6% clicked on the video to watch, which is something to be grateful for, and 19.4% actually swiped away. It's not matter whenever you post a video, it's not everybody that comes across that video is actually going to click that video to watch it. So people are going to come across that video and they are still going to swipe and pass away, or some people are still going to come across that video and they're still going to click it and just watch just like a second or two and just swipe and pass away. But please bear this in mind. Let it not make you feel bad or make you to say I quit. There's no quitting here. In this channel, there is no quitting. There is no quitting. Now, how viewers find your views. Now, how many people choose to watch it? You can see, I told you, 80.6% viewed, swipe away 19.4%. Then how viewers find this video since it was published? YouTube search. That means that this video was popping up. People were searching for this particular topic. I can remember in the video I talked, if you can remember in the last video I did on how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views in my long form video, if you notice in that same video in that same video, how people got to know about that video was through YouTube search. Yes, and I told you guys, if you want me to make a video on how to pick or how to find a topic that people are searching for at that moment, and you want me to talk about it, I am actually going to be talking about it, and I'm going to make a video about it. How viewers find this video: YouTube search 84.1%, which is nice. Browse feature 5.0%, short feed 4.1%, suggested video 3.5%, channel page 1.8%, external 1.4%, other YouTube features 0.1%. Now you can see from this external site, well, let me explain something to you. This suggested video is those videos that after this you are seeing this video, when you scroll up, there are other videos that are below my videos. That's suggested video. So that you need to know how to optimize the video so that your videos can actually be suggested underneath other videos. Now as you can see, this external site is from other apps that people got to know about the video. As you can see, from the WhatsApp, I got 18 views from that, and Google search I got 4 views, and from WhatsApp also I got 4 views, which is external site or app that people got to know about the video, which is a nice something. Now as you can see, YouTube search, since it was published, like I told you, this video was found on basically on what people were searching for at that moment. So you can see that YouTube search terms said Dr. Teal's body lotion was what people were searching for at the moment. So you can see I got 192, Dr. Teal's body lotion 100, like Dr. Teal's lotion for fair skin, Dr. Teal's vitamin C, but this is just the search term that people were actually looking for. Then under this suggested video, like I told you, that means my video were suggested under this. You see, as you can see now, we're in the content suggesting this short. That's suggested video. That's videos that you see as you're watching it. Then my videos are suggested under that particular video that you are watching. Now as you can see, content suggesting my video, Dr. Teal's lotion, advanced Korea skin, what they want to say about golden glow body lotions, and the rest. As you can see, this is the content that are actually suggesting my video, and the watch time hour I actually got from this video is 24.2 watch hour, which is nice. But remember, the watch hour that you are getting in your short is not calculating in the watch hour that you are getting in your normal long form video. For those of you that want to monetize your YouTube channel, no, the short, the watch hour in long form is what's going to be calculated for you to get that 4,000 watch hour, while the watch hour in short is just there, nothing to be calculating for. And as you can see, the average view is 0.36 for a short video. Then you can see the audience, because see, and that's what I want to tell you that for you to know or have in mind or bear in mind, this is what you are going to get or how much you are going to earn from a particular video, is where most of your audience is coming from. As you can see here, my audience is mainly Nigeria, which is 5.1%, which you already know what my revenue is going to look like. So now let's be going over to the revenue aspect. See, if you're still here at this point of this video, please subscribe. If you like things like this and you want to see more videos like this from me, do want to leave it in the comment section. I'm actually going to be talking about it. Or please subscribe to help move this ministry, so I can come back here and do more videos like this and educative videos like this for you guys. Now let's talk about the revenue. So let's talk about the revenue that everybody is waiting for, because the reason why you click this video is the revenue. I want to know how much he earned from the particular video, or I want to know how much a video that has 2,000 something view is going to pay. Don't worry, I know you're here for the revenue aspect. Now let's talk about the revenue aspect. That's what you guys are waiting for. Now the revenue, the RPM of this view is actually $0.03. Yes, it's not even up to $1. It's not even up to $0.50. It's $0.03 of 0.03 cents. That's just how much you make for 1,000. That's how much you am going to make for 1,000 view of this video. If you notice from the calculation, I got 2,414 views from that video, which was what made me to earn 0.07 cents from this video. As you can see, I know mainly it's coming from short feed that's ad that were displayed on that short YouTube Premium 1.4%, But if you calculate it, you can see that so each 1,000 view I get in this video, I'm going to be getting 0.03 cents, which is, I don't even know, which is bad, which is poor. Why I say that, if you notice from my audience, you will notice that most of my audience are coming from Nigeria, which is what's going to make my revenue to be small. But if my audience were coming from like United Kingdom, USA, Canada, there is no how my revenue is going to be 0.03 cents. It's not possible, because most of my audience were in Nigeria, so this is why my revenue was 0.03 cents. So now, if you're wondering, is this YouTube pay really worth it? If you're wondering, is this YouTube actually worth it? Is this something I should do or not? I will tell you to do it. I am not joking. I will tell you to do, because it comes with a lot of struggle. At times you just feel like, are you actually doing the right thing? Should I give up? I'm not posting again. Should I post every day? Oh, what am I not doing right? Oh, it's normal. I've experienced it. I am still experiencing it. It's normal. I'm still experiencing it. So it's normal. But what's about this revenue aspect is that it's not only one video that is going to be generating the money for you. You have to keep posting other videos. Your long form videos are really going to be generating for you. The short form videos are really going to be generating for you. Don't worry, in another video, I think I'm going to compare how much a long form video of 1,000 view paid and how much, oh wait, I'm going to compare how much a long form video of 1,000 view and how much a short form video like YouTube short and YouTube long video 1,000 view, like the same view, how much they pay, and we are really going to be comparing the two. So if you're interested in videos like this, do well to stick around and subscribe for more videos like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And so another thing again about this revenue is that the more views you get, the more money you make. So keep on pushing. You are really going to get there. I hope you find this video helpful, and we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please do want to subscribe to join this wonderful community. And when you subscribe, don't forget to comment in the comment section. It actually means a lot to me.